Okay? Hello. Lantern. Hello. Which
Dos personas al centro. Hola, ¿qué digo? How are you doing this morning?
Muy sexy. Okay. Oh, it's good.
¿Ya van derecha los flechas?
Hey. Este es para ustedes, Cabo Mar.
Cuando llegues ahí para los tantito siempre porque como todos estamos, no, ya, pero allá afuera pues para que todos empiecen a prender máquinas.
Oh, va que va. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please have your tickets ready in hand, okay?
Go ahead, no worries. Before you guys, welcome aboard. Buenos días. Sorry, this man.
Second floor. Watch your step. Watch your step.
Orange juice, Cokes, 2 waters in the middle.
Welcome aboard, bienvenidos a bordo, mis amigos. Buenos días, good morning. How you feeling today? ¿Cómo están? Yeah. That sounds good. Everybody on the front deck, just checking our sound system. Everybody here in the lobby, completely at the front. Speaking from the top side. My name is Edgar. Once again, nice to meet you, everybody. I'm the host of this boat ride. I give you a most special welcome. Our captain is Omar. Together with all the crew members, we give you a most special welcome. We'd like you to have a fun time. This is going to be a 45-minute boat ride in the one. We will take you to the ARC, which is the most representative landmark of Cabo. We're going to stop by and we're going to see some of the highlights by Lancet. So everybody, enjoy the ride. If you need to use the restrooms, I was telling you before, the restrooms are located in the back. There are 2 restrooms located at the lower deck. Walking downstairs around the corner is to be easy. Find the restrooms. The restrooms are located at the back side, obviously on the lower level, my friends. And life jackets are located here on the top side, below these benches in the center. And behind the captain's booth, inside of this storage behind me. Downstairs, life jackets are located below the seats, inside of the main room in case of any emergency, lifeboats. And life jackets will be provided by the crew of the Cabo Mar. Okay, so bienvenidos amigos, welcome aboard, thank you for listening. I will give you some information about Cabo during the boat ride, and also we're going to play a recording with some other information about Cabo San Lucas by the explorer Jack Cousteau. So thank you for listening, everybody. Enjoy the ride. Somebody say, vámonos! Vámonos! Let's go, my friends. Each is just 10-minute walking from our dock. If you just want to refresh yourself and take a swim, you can walk to the beach on the right side of the boat from our dock. That old damaged building on the right side of the boat, that used to be a tuna cannery, which back in the 1940s was the largest cannery in Latin America. Now it is just an abandoned building. The main industry in Cabo San Lucas nowadays, it is the tourism. So now we're cruising next to the Lovers Beach. For all the first timers to Cabo, Lovers Beach, La Playa del Amor. Wow. For the honeymooners, this is the perfect time for pictures. Universities. And on the other side, we can see the Pacific Ocean actually from this side. The other side is best known as the Divorce Beach. Playa del Divorcio. The Pacific side of Cabo is rough most of the time. There are big shore-breaking waves. It's not swimmable there. So here it's good for swimming, very smooth. This is known as Lovers Beach. The other side is known as the Divorce Beach. On the right side of the boat now, between 2 and 3 o'clock of the boat, we will see the Pacific window. There are a few more sea lions on the rocks We're arriving to this spot which is known as Land Sand or Finisterra, mis amigos. And this is the southernmost point of the Baja. This is where the arch is at. We can see it now on the right side of the boat. El Arco, which is the most representative landmark of Cabo. It is a natural granite rock formation located at the southernmost point of the Baja. Time for pictures. The captain is going to rotate the boat. The captain is gonna at the left side. You're gonna be able to take some pictures with the arches background. The captain will rotate. We're rotating. If you're at the left side, I recommend you to stay on your side of the boat so you don't be all stuck in. For better spots for pictures, you can stay on the left, and the captain will rotate the boat. With the whale watching excursions, even these whales start arriving approximately in late November, early December, and they stay until April. So clear up your eyes. If we're lucky, we might get a chance to see some whales. Maybe if far in the distance you see a spout or close by the boat. Let's see how lucky we are today. See a whale? If you're the first person to see a whale, you win a double shot of tequila. And now we are next to the Divorce Beach. This is the other side of the Lovers Beach, amigos, which is most of the time pretty rough. Now it seems like it's not too rough, but you can see the wave mark on the rocks, on the sand. You can realize that there are bigger swells coming from one moment to another. There are big shore breaking waves, not good for swimming. All along the Pacific side of Cabo, it's dangerous to swim. You will see when these will come up to the surface, it will make the water stout. A little farther in the distance, those splashes, that's a marlin jumping. Way far in the distance, at the front, you see it? That's a marlin jumping several times already. It's been like 5-6 times it's marlin jumps. While the whale is way closer here next to this airship bar. There he is. Awesome! We're very lucky today, my friends. Swimming close to the surface, they use those flat circles on the surface of the water. Here it is again. One of these two whales we're watching right now. Surface, there she blows again. And the second one. See, the second one is a little bigger. Okay.